I had two recent clients that had a very bad experience. They chose a lender that was out of town. One actually was from a well-known chain, but it's a reputable name. But for whatever reason, they chose somebody who was actually based in Arizona. And it was interesting because we had a closing date of, I think it was the 30th, if I remember. But the days prior to, when we were trying to get in touch with them, when Tuesday, Wednesday, they won't even answer the phone. They wouldn't even pick up. I know. And then so our deadline was Friday. We had to extend it, right? And then even after that extension, they still wouldn't answer their phone. I had to elevate. I had to go up to the regional vice president or whatever. As it turns out, they were actually independents. So they don't technically have a boss. So we had two extensions basically is what happened. And we could have lost the deal. Yeah, the seller could have just walked away and said, "No, I'm not dealing with you guys."